unboxing video! Today we're doing another Lego minifigure pack opening. Lego Harry Potter this time. So we've also opened more of these before, and we're gonna show those clips coming up
right now.
It's not easily rippable. Now dump them.
Dump.
Ooh!
Get out! I was right!
Yeah, didn't you call it that?
Yeah, because I felt his nose.
Okay. Yeah.
Ooh, that's a cool dress. Here, whatever you build it. Oh, build it. Snap out the wand. Ooh, that's a cool Voldemort. And then here's Nagini. Ooh, it's big. Ooh. That's cool. Hey, my turn.
What if you get...
What if we get a duplicate?
What if we get a dupe? And Mom owes us money. Dump it out!
It wasn't dumping.
Then dump
I'm
it!
doing it. And it is this random Hogwarts, I think his name is Dean Thomas.
Dean, no Dean. Yeah.
Dean Thomas. Here he is. Okay, now. And it is Queenie Goldstein.
Yay. And now you. Wait, no, you finished building. We got more wands. And bread. No, that's a streusel. A streusel. Cards. And now you. Okay, you're done. Okay, you go. Here we go.
Ready, set.
Well, that's all for us. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed those videos. So we traded the duplicate Queenie for Lego Ninjago movie minifigures, and we opened those in a previous video.
Yeah.
But now we're gonna be opening these. Wait, and our older brother got a Hermione, opened a Hermione, and now we're gonna be opening these ones. Okay, who wants to go? You want to go first?
I'll go first. No duplicate. Dobby!
Oh! That's cool. Ooh, and double molded legs.
Sweet.
Ooh, that's cool. Oh, and it comes with the Tom Riddle's diary. Okay, while he's building it, I will show you my magical wand powers.
Almost done, guys. Sorry for the delay. There we go.
Okay, here it is. Okay, now you fill.
Don't be a duplicate. Don't be a duplicate. Don't be a duplicate. Okay, here we go.
Ooh, it's Cho Chang! Ooh, got some mid-sized legs. You have to zoom out a bit. Okay. Hey, we didn't get any duplicates this time.
Yeah. Hey, why don't you say sorry for the delay? You're taking a long time too.
Okay. Ooh, here she is. And with an owl. And now we're gonna show all the figures lined up. So we have 6 of 22 of the Lego Harry Potter minifigure series, and I lined them up in the order they appear on the checklist. So, first we got Hermione, Cho Chang, Dean Thomas, Voldemort, Dobby, and Queenie Goldstein. So, that's all for us. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Also at the store, we got this cool jack-o'-lantern mask. It's pretty cool. Don't you think? Post in the comments if you think it's cool.
Like and subscribe! Bye.